talking, enough of thinking. As the quote says, action speaks louder than words. So time to take some action. I saw puppies in the street with their mother. The mommy had skin infection and many insects on her body. So I thought of helping them by making them a shelter.
Hello everybody, I am Arush. I am helping Sunny to make this dog house.
We saw an old storeroom and thought to transforming it into a dog shelter. Mom, can we use that mat to make that dog house?
That's a good idea, Sunny. Yes, you may. Take this.
Thank you. डॉग इसको पानी देने के लिए इसको धो रहे हैं.
I asked my mom to apply medicine on her to cure the body infection in her body. So we gave this medicine to make her feel better. And she also applied turmeric on her skin. My mom is applying turmeric on Laltu's body as turmeric works like an antiseptic for insects. In a way you can help stray dogs to give them a better life. If we can, you can do it too. Every year, millions of stray animals die due to hunger. If not a home, you can give food to at least one stray dog every day. It's an urge. Please help them.